Welcome all. This is our lecture 4, and in this lecture we will cover the topic font, that is font tag. Font tag is most important tag, and we can change the face, size, color of a particular text within this tag. It's a pair tag and always come with its companion tag. It means we have to close it, the font tag. Font tags plays, as I discussed, the font tags plays a very important role in making a website more user friendly and increasing content readability. Font face, font colors depends entirely on the computer and browser that is being used to view your page. Because if your text will be attractive, if your text have some styles, have some color used, then the user will read that read the website mostly. We can change the size. These are the different type of size in it. How can we change the size? We will see this. This is a simple. This is a simple program. This is a simple program. We will perform it after the discussion. We have to change. This is the font tag and size, color, face. These are the attributes of font tag. Font face as you have used Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, and there are some faces like Times New Roman, Arial Black, Arial, Calibri. These are all the font faces. We can change the face of a text by using font tag. This is another example to change the face of a text. The next attribute is color, font color. We can change the color of a particular text and we can use it within font tag as a attribute, as an attribute. You are seeing that there is a code has FF00FF. This is a color code. You can directly use the code color name here, like red, green, like I have used in the next line, red. You can use this. We will perform these. So now it's time to perform these codes live. Take this code. Now come to the output. You can see that. Then this is our code. We have used font size equal to 1, 3, 4, 6, 7. This is the font size 1, font size 2, font size 3, font size 4, 5, 6, and 7. You can increase the size of the font. In this particular program, we can use like we can use color file save like this. You can change the anything, and like now we want to change the face equal to Arial. Initially I'm taking Arial. Now you can check the font face is also changed. So you can change the size, color, and we can take the size according to our needs and perform the program. So make your notes perform these codes in the lab,